List of most popular British food. Number 1 on our list is Yorkshire pudding. The British cuisine's holy grail. Yorkshire pudding is a flavor sensation, according to 85% of British people. Number 2. Sunday roast. The Sunday roast is the runner-up, with millions of people eating it every week in pubs and households across the UK. Number 3. Fish and chips. Fish and chips, which are best enjoyed by the seashore, beats out fierce competition to become one of the UK's top 3 favorite dishes. At number 4. Victoria Sponge. The Victoria Sponge, or Victoria Sandwich, adds a touch of luxury to this British food feast. Number 5 on our list belongs to crumpets. It's hard to go wrong with a traditional English crumpet and a cup of tea. On number 6 we have scones. Is it a scone or a scone? Which comes first, the jam or the cream? What does it matter? Whatever you do, get one with your afternoon tea. Number 7 is reserved for full English breakfast. Without the famous fry-up, no vote of the most beloved British food would be complete. Number 8. Bacon sandwich. The popular quick breakfast and hangover remedy in the United Kingdom. Number 9. Sticky toffee pudding. Sticky toffee pudding is not only the most indulgent of UK desserts, but it also appears to be the nation's favorite. At number 10. Scotch egg. Possibly our favorite of what we refer to as British delicacies. With a Scotch egg, you can't go wrong. Number 11 on our list. Black pudding. Black pudding is one of those dishes that you either love or despise. Number 12. Bubble and squeak. The ultimate Boxing Day delight and an essential component of a perfect full English breakfast. Number 13. Ploughman's lunch. The ploughman's lunch, arguably the most basic but nonetheless one of the best British meals, is a pub grub classic in the UK. And finally, at number 14 on our list, pie and mash. Pie and mash will always remain a British food staple, whether eaten at home, in a restaurant, gastropub, or a classic East End shop.